Hey guys, it's Rafael Lopez, Internet Manager with Desert Toyota, and today's how-to video is jump-starting your car. All right, so we already have the hood open, but step one is you pop your hood and open it up. All right, so step two is you grab your jump box. Step three is you remove the cover from the positive battery terminal. Step four is you grab the negative cable from your jump box and hook it up to the negative battery terminal. Step five, on your jump box, you grab the positive red cable and hook it up to the positive battery terminal. All right, step six, make sure your jumper box is on and ready to be used. Step seven, you go into your vehicle and you either turn the key over or push the button to start it. All right, guys, so we just wanted to show you a video on how to jumpstart your car with the battery box. With that being said, we'll see you back again next month for another how-to video.